Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome. My name is TaHoney and I am back with another hair collab. Today's video is sponsored by Yolissa Hair. I will be installing this wig and showing y'all how I got this easy go-to style. I did not bleach the knots or anything of that sort, so let's get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy as much as I enjoy collabing with Yolissa. You change overnight. So y'all, I have worked with Yolissa probably like 2 times before in the past. They have not disappointed me so far. Now this wig, it did come with a few gifts, some eyelashes, a holster, an edge brush. It came with a few things. It also came with a extra bag to put the wig inside. I will be showing y'all the wig, how it looks fresh out of the box. As I mentioned to y'all, I didn't do anything to this wig. I literally put it right on and recurled it. So we about to get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy as much as I enjoy collabing and working with them. Also, y'all, this look is very beginner friendly, so let's get right into the video.
But you get a bit better.
So guys, this is the final look. Everything will be in the description box for this wig. Literally everything. I did not bleach the knots or wash it, nothing. I literally put the wig on right out of the box. Definitely love it. Definitely was a 9 out of 10 for me. Everything about this wig will be in the description box. Literally everything. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you are interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you. As I mentioned, everything will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. It will be in the description box below as well. We at 50K, we're on the road to 100K, and until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.
You changed overnight.